What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on a 2025 Saxdor 320 GTC coming to me on the boat. Now that we're up on the Saxdor 320 GTC, this is the aft entertaining area. You have a unfinished teak table. You have this bench seat here, and this backrest can be moved aft so that way you can face the teak chair. Right now would be set up for if you're starting at a sandbar. Both these sides actually go down. Everyone can be hanging out in this aft area while you pull up to the sandbar. Speakers back here. Freshwater sprayer on the port side. As I mentioned before, both these sides will fold down. The control panels right here just inside the glass door. Now working our way into the cabin portion, you have a full sliding glass door. To walk in here, this area can be fully enclosed. As you see, we have one window open on the port side and one closed on the starboard. You have another teak table here on the starboard side with bench seat, a refrigerator, two helm chairs, as well as a co-captain's chair on the port. Now you have their summer kitchen here, nice countertop space underneath. Reveals a sink. You also have cabinetry here. We just got this boat from the factory, so we still have the shore power cord and the nice Saxdor box that comes with some gel coat that the boat was actually sprayed with. Now on the port here, you get another refrigerator. Now at the helm, get a VHF radio. You have your trim tabs, bow thruster, twin stem rowder units that are flush mounted here with the acrylic dash. Really nice touch. Has a nice clean looking dash, as well as joystick. All your switches that you may want here. Now this is a great boat for anyone up north. If you're doing any boating in colder weather, you can be fully enclosed in here. Or if you want the AC going down here in the hotter seasons in Florida, be fully enclosed here, have the AC going, still enjoy more time on the water. The cabin, another sliding door with a stopper at the bottom. So now we're down in the cabin. Let's say this bed's about the size of a queen bed. You can fit two people overnighting on here. You have some lights down here. Those people like to read. Also have some natural light coming in. You have the glass above my head here, as well as your escape hatch that goes to the front area. This is your head area. So it's open until you undo these latches. Doors hold open by a magnet. And then you can easily close that area off for privacy. Then also reveals cabinet area here, which you can open up. Got some more stuff from the factory in here. Would be a great area to put clothes or smaller items. Here's the magnet going in place. And simply, we're in the bow area of this 320 GTC. This is just another entertaining area. You have two people lounging up here in the front. You have a cup holder on either side, as well as more speakers in the front. So no matter what zone of the boat you're in, you'll be able to enjoy your music. This boat's equipped with the bow sunshade. It would clip off the hard top. And then these are plugs for the pole holders. That way you can get some sun protection. All the way forward is access to your windlass. The windlasses on these boats are actually flush mounted. It really makes for a sleek look for the boat. If you want to come see this boat, you can come by MarineMax Jupiter or call us today.